chain hanging. Most likely it's one of them. Come over here. There's an old one, spun out, chain hanging. Most likely it's the blown gear syndrome, especially now, super cold out. Chain hanging, and pop you on a new gear here, grease it up, grease the bottom in there, grease the inside there. You can see my little brush now full of grease. We grease these things up big time. I also grease the worm gear, and then when I'm done, here's the grease bucket on my little grease packs. We'll run the machine after we pack it full of grease like 3 times, repack it 3 times, and then put it all back together. But that's the chains hanging. That's it. 632-719-343. www.innovativedoor.com. That's the worm gear we grease up. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our chain hanging gear opener video.